Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, is it game over? Is it time to sell? A lot of people saying it's game over, saying we lost. Adam Abraham has sold this, that, and the third. A lot of different things in perspective people is putting into play of their reasoning on why they believe AMC is done. Even down to the fact, one of the main reasons is the fact that it's trading in the 20s now, guys. And that's still, is a great spot. Even though we on defense now, being in the high 20s, trading what we trading at, we haven't seen anything yet. When we start to really see something is if we break this key level that we played out on Friday, and that is 26. We hit that low of 26 even for a reason, guys. We broke it previously on last Friday when they had came out with the distraction. We came down to 25 in the blink of an eye and quickly reversed back to the upside, ending the day at that $27, $28 range, saving us from a bloody Friday. You remember that, right? And same thing as this Friday, we came down to that key level. We didn't go to 25, but we came to 26 because that's where the main level at, and we broke it on that Friday coming down to 25, and that's what we want to watch for, guys. And even if we break that level, I still don't think it's over yet, guys, because shorts haven't covered, and that's where they will begin to cover if we break that $26 level, which we did break it previously, giving us an indication that we got a gap fill. We could possibly come down to that 19 in between $15 and $19 range, guys. So, and that's where I believe they will cover. A lot of them will cover for profits and gains, and some will be covering to the short in that loss, that significant loss from the millions of dollars they was in, tens of millions of dollars. Now it's just a single digit million, a million two. They'd rather take that loss than the loss they was going to take, because they know when it come down to that price point, a lot of shorts would start covering to take for profits, to take gains. A lot will be short covering the break even, and some will be covering to also just to shorten their loss from what they previously had, because at that level buying pressure will come in from both ways, those covering and also the apes that's already holding AMC, and the ones that's been patiently waiting for a huge drop to happen. So they will be also entering, like, happy to get those cheap shares, and this thing is going to ride right back up, guys. I believe it'll shoot right back up very fast, and we'll see probably a $10-15 upswing in price action if we break that $26 level coming down to that range. So I believe, guys, it's not over. It's not game over for AMC. It is not over yet, guys. We still, holding the gas. And like I told you guys in previous videos, apes saying they haven't been selling, but they have, guys. A lot of newbies and beginner investors had invested in AMC, because if we go back to the beginning, this all started because of a movement. We want the money at the end of the day, but it really happened because of a movement. I'm pretty sure majority was in because of the money, this, that, and the third. Of course, I want the money, the bread too, but it was mainly because of the movement, because due to knowledge and experience that I've accumulated over the years from the markets, meme stocks, and the way what was going on with GME and AMC and BlackBerry and all that, that's something someone with experience wouldn't have touched. That was like for the people, the YOLO people that only live once, the people that just want to use the stock market as a gambling device instead of a strategic, a strategic way, and being meticulous and smart with your money instead of just throwing it out there. It was for those meme stocks for those type people. But smart investors like myself that see opportunity in all different aspects and very diversified, I take chances on things like that. That's why I relate to the party on GME. Even though I believe it had much more potential, I said no, I couldn't do it, because that's considered chasing. Even if it go off to the thousands and it's trading at the prices that it's at now, that's still considered chasing. That's why I wouldn't budge with it. But AMC, on the other hand, we seen it when it was at $5, $6, $7 range. We eyed it. We knew it would be a sympathy play for GameStop, because I told you guys how I came up with the concept of AMC would be a good buy, is because I was looking for companies with, it sound kind of, crazy, but I don't know, I was just looking for old companies with a nice name that was like a household name, everybody knew it, but was trading at a very, very low price. Whether that company was doing bad now, whether they, if they had a popular name like, Blockbuster. Imagine if Blockbuster was up there for $5 or something during that time, or Toys R Us, or like something that from way back in the day that we all know of, or you know, Razor or something, the Razor phones we had, anything, guys. But I was looking for something in that aspect for a very popular name for a cheap price, because I know those type plays that wouldn't be trading off fundamentals and fundamentally, and you know that the Wall Street bets and all those type investors that's just looking for that quick come up, they will be investing in these type companies next. And AMC was doing bad due to the pandemic, but we knew that wouldn't matter. It was AMC, the world's largest theater chain, and it was trading at a very, very low price. That was a good, you know, buy. So, and it turned out to be what it was. A lot of people that invested at that time was very rewarded, guys. And also for the ones that got in later on, nobody tried to, you know, lead you into anything. I always let you guys know it was chasing at those levels. But we did most definitely expect for it to run up even higher from those levels. But now we experienced a lot of hurdles. Nobody knew that, you know, a new variant would come out, something worse than what we already experienced would come out, and they would turn the button on and off, saying this, you know, be scared, and then tell you not to be scared, this, that, and the third. We didn't know that would come out. We didn't know, the also with GameStop is a reason for AMC coming down now. It's a reason for it to go up, and it's also can be a reason for it to come down because of GameStop, because they just reported earnings on Wednesday, and they, you know, had a negative reaction to it, fell in price after, and that caused AMC to fall in price. Also with the distraction, and also with AMC selling, that got a little, with Adam Aaron selling and the CFO, that got a little bit to do with it as well. Not much though, how the media try to portray it to be, but you already know, guys. I feel we still is in a great position. Not too much to worry about on our ends. You know, just be smart, guys. Be smart. Let this be a learning lesson. If you got caught in at the top too much because you was chasing and not talking as if it's over, just saying you still gotta, know how not to go all in, put too much on the line to where you can't bear it, you can't stomach it if it come down. Because if you ain't put too much in, you should be happy at this point because you able to go ahead and load up more. You get what I'm saying? So you already know, guys. That's all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC and let you guys know my thoughts around that. And add me on the Instagram. We post over there daily. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.